In Contents, right-click the ground surface elevation layer and choose Data, Export Raster. For the output raster, click the Browse button and navigate into the Crater Lake Home Geodatabase. Name the output raster ParkDEM30M. Set the coordinate system to match the park boundary layer. Set the clipping geometry to park boundary, and check the box for Use Input Features for Clipping Geometry. Leave the clipping type set to Outside. Round the X and Y cell sizes to 30. And set the No Data value to No Data. Switch to the Settings tab and change the Resample method, the top one, not the pyramid one, to bilinear. Click Export. Close the Export Raster window when it finishes, and turn off Park Boundary. Remove the ground surface elevation imagery layer, and save the project.